Forbidden City Walking Tour. Explore Beijing's heart with expert guides. Step into the grandeur of China's imperial history with our exclusive Forbidden City Walking Tour, led by seasoned expert guides. This journey will take you through the magnificent gates of the world's largest palace complex, uncovering its architectural marvels, royal secrets, and rich cultural heritage. As you stroll along the ancient stone paths, you'll experience the splendor of a bygone era that shaped Chinese civilization for centuries. With BusDa's hassle-free service, there's no need to worry about complex reservation procedures. We handle it all for you. Our guides, fluent in English and well-versed in history, will lead you to iconic landmarks such as the Hall of Supreme Harmony, the Imperial Garden, and the Palace of Heavenly Purity. They'll bring to life the fascinating stories of emperors and empresses, ensuring a vivid and engaging journey through this historic treasure. Designed with your comfort in mind, the walking tour offers ample time to take photos, ask questions, and immerse yourself in the Forbidden City's majestic surroundings. This private, no-shopping experience is perfect for those seeking an authentic and enriching exploration of Beijing's heart.